Today's video is a great video card that can be given as a gift to friends and other people. Let's get started. In it we have a photo and a card to download the application with it. There is a QR code on the back of that card. Let's scan it and install that application. For one thing, this application can only be installed on an Android phone. Let's get installed. After installing, you need to access the camera, then enter your mobile number and it will come to your phone, OTP, or as a one-time password message. Give it what it entered. Then I will show you a magic. You see, the photo turned into a video while scanning the photo. If you want to buy this product, you can go to the link below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for videos like this.